Building a miniature house with real materials is a great way to understand real construction techniques on a smaller scale. The first step is planning your design carefully before starting any physical work. Draw a simple floor plan showing rooms, walls, doors, and windows with accurate measurements. Choose a suitable scale such as 110 or 112 to keep proportions realistic. Select a flat and stable base surface where the miniature house will be constructed. Mark the outline of the house foundation on the base using a pencil and ruler. Excavate a shallow trench along the marked lines to represent the foundation footing. Prepare a small mixture of real cement, sand, and water to create strong miniature concrete. Pour the concrete mixture into the trench carefully and level it with a small tool. Allow the foundation concrete to cure properly for at least 24 hours. After curing, begin laying miniature bricks on top of the foundation. Use real mortar made from cement and fine sand for realistic bonding. Apply a thin layer of mortar between each brick for proper adhesion. Use a small level tool to ensure the walls remain straight and vertical. Continue building the walls layer by layer around the layout. Leave proper openings for doors and windows while constructing the walls. Install small wooden or plastic frames for doors and windows in place. Reinforce the corners by carefully aligning bricks for strength. Check measurements regularly to maintain symmetry. Once the wall height reaches the desired level, prepare for the lintel installation. Create miniature concrete lintels to place above door and window openings. Allow the lintels to dry before continuing upper brickwork. Continue laying bricks until the full wall height is achieved. Smooth out excess mortar from the wall surfaces. Let the entire wall structure dry completely. Begin preparing for the roof structure after walls are solid. Decide whether to build a flat roof or a sloped roof.